Hi, uh, welcome to the Fulfillment app or the Workbench app demo. In this demo, I will walk you through how to create a backlog config request and how that particular request can be approved using the Workbench app. So since I've logged in as an admin, I would be able to both raise a request and approve the same. But if the actual user is just an ops agent, he would only be able to raise a request and not approve it, and only an admin or a supervisor would have the access for approving the request. So for raising request, we need to go to fulfillment config and click on backorder config. So the first step involves selecting the SKUs for which you want to configure backorder. So this is the SKU selector. If you know the SKU, you can directly enter the SKU in this text box. If not, you can use this SKU selector through which you can select your SKU. You can select your division. You can select your type. So I'm selecting tablets. And then I can select a family. So I can zero in, I can shortlist on the SKUs, and from them I can select the exact SKU that I want. I can add to the selection. If I'm yet to add more SKUs, I can again repeat the process, or if I'm done with it, I can complete the list by clicking the list here. I need to then specify the maximum backorder quantity for each of the SKUs. Once that is done, I can then submit for approval. There are also options for allowing order and allowing for backorder, which I have defaulted to yes. So once if I submit for approval, the request gets submitted. Now, if I am a supervisor or an admin who has to approve this request, I will go to Approval tab and click on Backorder Config. There, the requests that have been raised for backorder config would be listed again based on the status, whether it's a pending request, approved request, or rejected. The ones that we raised would be a pending request. So these are all the pending requests that we are seeing. For approving anyone, I need to select that, or I can select all the requests and then click on approve or reject appropriately. Here I'm trying to approve a particular request. Once it is approved, it would then move into the approved request table, and similarly you will be able to see the rejected request table with the requests that were rejected. Thank you.